Specs and performance. Octa-core processor and 3 GB of RAM gives plenty of power. Not flagship performance, some slow loads. The HTC Uplay comes with an octa-core MediaTek Helio P10 chipset and 3 GB of RAM under the hood, giving it plenty of power to perform even the most strenuous of mobile tasks. Generally the Uplay runs smoothly, but there were the odd times where the phone would freeze and reboot. This happened 3 times during our 10-day review period, or apps would take a little longer than expected to load. The freezing issue should be something HTC can iron out with a software update, but it's a little annoying when it does happen. High-profile games load in good time, and we were able to easily play Boom Beach, Clash Royale and Pokémon Go without issue on the HTC Uplay. Running the Geekbench 4 app on the Uplay produced an average multi-core score of 2,821, placing it comfortably below the flagship phones currently available and reiterating the phone's mid-range status. That number is significantly lower than the 5,207 clocked by the Honor 8 and the 4,313 by the OnePlus 3T, but it's on par with the 2,600 scored by the Moto Z Play. The HTC Uplay certainly doesn't put in a bad performance, and it's still a highly usable phone, but you can get more power for your money.